Crude oil, after a moderate retracement, has again traded bearish and hit the lows at 63.2 here. While natural gas has stayed in a zone, very important, it has failed to break beyond 3.15, 3.2 levels, which is a critical milestone, critical resistance zone for natural gas on the upside. What to expect today from oil and gas? Are we looking forward for this trend to continue? Are we looking forward for a correction further in oil prices towards 62 and 60? Or the lows are done and wait for a bounce back? And how about natural gas? Are we done with the lows at 3 and can we expect it to break 3.2? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe and US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. See, despite oil trading bearish, we have yet to see oil breaking below the day before yesterday's low, and it means we have to now wait for it to stay below 63. And now it's staying below 63. The next targets are towards 62. Notice what has happened. See, resistance from 20 period prices dropped again, and now it is staying in a very narrow zone. It has to come out of this zone. And thus, if you see it is staying beyond 63.5, you can initiate a beyond 63.5, 63.6, you can expect 63.8, 64 as the first target, 64.5 as the next. Beyond 64.5 is where the bulls will be back. Moving averages trading with divergence is staying bearish here. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD is almost staying flat here. The RSI is also flat but near to bottom. That is very important. Look at 2-hour charts. See on the 2-hour charts as well. See the bearish candles are sharper. The retracement candles are moderate. Now you can also notice the bearishness getting diminished. Look at the move here. And thus I will say it indicates the possibility of a reversal. So now if you see oil trading beyond 63.5, we can initiate a buy. However, 64.5 is what it needs to breach in order to confirm further bullishness today. Stochastic is staying oversold. The MACD flat at bottom, the RSI flat at bottom. On the 3-hour, similar observation. Notice the crossover is on the sell side, which is certainly a bearish indication. Also notice lower highs and lower lows are seen. Every rise offsets with a bigger drop, and that is where we can see increase in bearishness. Also notice after the drop, a retracement, then drop again. Now it is consolidating here. If you see oil trading below 63, possibility of a move towards 62 will be very high. And then the next targets below 62 are going to be directly at 60. But remember, things are getting oversold here. See the stochastic oversold, the MACD already at bottom. It has to bounce back soon. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to 4-hour chart, the observation is similar on the 4-hour chart. See, it is trying to very good support is seen. You can see 3 to 4 candles trying to breach below this, failing to do so. I'll definitely watch out. If it stays beyond 63.5, 63.6, we can initiate a buy and expect it to move towards 64. And then it is pretty important for oil to now trade beyond 64.5, which will confirm further bullishness today. Notice what it is doing. Lower highs and lower lows are seen trading in this bearish channel. So 64.5 is the zone it needs to breach in order to confirm further bullishness and reversal. Stochastic oversold, the MACD almost at bottom and RSI at bottom. So things are pretty much stable here and things have pretty much seen the lows here. We can wait for a reversal. Right now it is not showing signs of reversal. Now look at the daily chart. See, straight bearish candles. Also the prices are almost at bottom. Most importantly, it is yet to break below the lows here. See this, what we had seen here 63.15, it is just falling shy of the lows here. I'll watch out. If it trades now below 63, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Now below 63, 62.8, the next targets are towards 62. Moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic oversold, the MACD bearish, the RSI has dropped. So considering this, but now before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, you should join my next mentorship batch. The next batch, 34th batch, starts 1st of September. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel as well for live updates. And if uh, you are looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, as we have discussed, the buying entry can be taken in oil at 63.5, 63.6 zone, expect 64, 64.5. If 64, 64.5 is taken, you can say now this is the time for oil to start reversing. Though right now it is not showing such a strength, but yes, if it stays beyond 64.5, we can expect it to move towards 65.2 and 66 levels soon. While on the downside, now see what's happening here. Notice after the drop, it is retraced and now it appears it is willing to deliver the second round of drop here, and this could be an aggressive bearish move where the prices might move towards 55 again. Let's wait for it to give you a breakout. Now if oil trades below 63 today, you can take a sell below 63. 62.8, 62.7 is what you should watch out for, and below 62.8, 62.7, the next destination, the next targets are towards 62 directly. And remember, below 62 we are heading at 60, where we are heading towards 60. Keep a note of this. Right now I think things are slightly oversold and hence a little recovery can be seen here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Now see, natural gas here 3.2 indeed is a greater resistance, and see it was trading in this bearish channel. It has come out of this. However, it is pretty important to note that it is again attempted to trade beyond 3.15 but failing to do so. We can see 3.15, 3.2 zone is indeed acting as a greater resistance zone for natural gas here. Now again today, if you see gas trading above 3.15, you can stay with the buys and expect 3.2. And any move beyond 3.2, remember, any move beyond 3.2 is a sign of reversal where 3.3 and 3.4 should be seen. Moving average is bullish. The stochastic has retraced here, the MACD almost flat. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, you can see the moving average is crossing over here, is on buy side. But notice what has happened after a bigger move, we have seen a greater dump as well. Now it is staying in a zone, wait for it to break out. Now if you see it is staying beyond 3.15, then only we can confirm that it is trying to trade bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD after a retracement has crossed over. This is again a slight bearish sign. The RSI is flat. So things are getting again slightly bearish, specifically after the storage data. Net gas prices are not showing the strength here. Now look at the 3 hour chart. Similar observation. The crossover is the pretty important thing. And thus, if you see now gas trading below 3.08, which is the crossover zone. If you see gas trading below 3.08, it stays short for 3.05. 3.02 and below 3.02 is where you can confirm aggressive bearishness here. Stochastic rising, the MACD has converged here, not yet crossed over. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See these two symmetrical candles. One, we have seen a good bullish move, then it is reversed and now it is back to the normal zone. So now it is pretty important for gas to trade beyond 3.15, which will be confirmation of a move towards 3.2. And if it trades beyond 3.2, that is the time you can say now natural gas is reversing and then stay bullish for 3.3, 3.4 zone. Possibly if it closes in green today, if it closes close to 3.2 or above 3.2, the opening for the next week is going to be a gap up where 3.3, 3.4 should be seen. But right now it is not showing such a strength and it is staying in a zone. We have to watch out for the next move here. The moving averages have started to converge here. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green. It is rising. The RSI is flat here. Coming to daily chart, on the daily charts, notice couple of bullish candles. See, it has come out of this bearish channel. It is now staying in a zone, and see, we have seen a swing candle, which suggests that it could continue on the upside here. But it is pretty important for gas to trade beyond 3.2, which will confirm the next move. This could possibly take it towards 3.3, 3.4. So now today, uh, 3.15, 3.2 again should act as a greater resistance zone. See, the moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic rising here. The MACD after hitting the bottom just crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. Just first bullish candle, so it is possible that we can see series of candles here and RSI flat. So today's move is going to remain pretty important. If you see now gas trading above 3.15, you can initiate a buy. Expect 3.18, 3.2 as the first target zone, and staying beyond 3.2 we can stay bullish in natural gas, expecting it to hit 3.3 and 3.4 zone very soon. If not today, the coming week it might open with a gap up. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3.08 levels, where we can expect 3.05 and 3 as the next targets. Below 3 is where the bears are waiting. Below 3, if gas trades below $3 zone today, the coming week it might open with the gap down. Then 2.9 for 2.92 zone should appear as the first target. 2.86 and 2.8 are the next targets possibly. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do watch the next update before the US session. That will give you fair bit of idea on what to expect from oil and gas with the US session. See, these two updates definitely adds meaning to your trading decisions, and thus press the like button, press share, subscribe, and comment as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the weekly reviews tomorrow. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.